what is the difference between Adobe Photoshop and Luminar Neo, which is a better post-processing software. Now, this question is a genuine and most frequently asked question to me during my workshop on post-processing. Now, in this video, let me clear this particular doubt and tell you the basic differences between these two very good softwares. Number one, Adobe Photoshop is both a photo editing and a designing software. That means you can prepare posters, you can prepare flyers, and some advertising material. But Luminar Neo is a pure photo editing software. You can, with some effort, prepare some flyers or posters, but it is a hectic job. So, at least at this stage, for designing purpose, Adobe Photoshop is a better software. You can compare Luminar Neo with Adobe's Lightroom, which is also a pure photo editing software. Number two difference is Adobe Photoshop is subscription based. That means every year or every month you have to keep on paying the Adobe for using that services. Whereas Luminar Neo can be purchased one time. So it is a one time lifetime purchase. So that is a huge reduction in your budget. Number three difference is Luminar Neo interface is more user friendly. Even an absolute beginner can master the software with little practice and effort. Adobe Photoshop, on the other hand, has a steep learning curve. So these are the three basic differences. So what is better for you? Before I answer this question, let me make clear that I am an affiliate member of Luminar Neo. I have the affiliate link through which you can purchase this software if you wish. So with this disclosure, let me now tell you which is better for you. If you are a beginner or an hobbyist photographer who is not using post-processing as a commercial mean, then Luminar Neo is better for you. The reason is simple. It is user-friendly and budget-friendly. But that does not mean that Luminar Neo is not a professional software. It is a comprehensive photo editing software at this stage. But it has some limitation as far as designing is concerned. But if you are an advanced or a serious professional photographer, then at this stage, Adobe Photoshop should be the choice of software. At least at this point, it has an age. So now I hope that you will take an informed decision on your purchase. Keep exploring.